Did you know that the UK has made a landmark decision to stop issuing biometric residence permits? Indeed, this information has caught many by surprise. Biometric residence permits, or BRPs, have been a cornerstone of the UK's immigration process for years. They've been the go-to identification for non-EU nationals, encapsulating crucial data like fingerprints and immigration status. So, their sudden disappearance from the scene is, without a doubt, a game-changer. But why this abrupt shift? Well, it's a part of a broader scheme of changes in the UK's immigration policy. A new dawn has arrived, and with it, new systems are being implemented. The year 2024 has brought us an unexpected twist in the tale of UK immigration, a shift that echoes the dynamic nature of international relations and policy changes. This change has undoubtedly left many of us scratching our heads wondering what comes next. But don't worry, we're here to break it all down for you. The UK's immigration policy has always been a complex web, but today, we're here to untangle it for you. Let's dive into the heart of the matter: the recent changes in the UK's immigration policy. In a surprising move, the UK government has decided to bid farewell to the biometric residence permits, or BRPs, as we've known them. If you're wondering why, it's all about making the immigration process simpler and more efficient. The BRPs, those small plastic cards holding biometric information, have long been a staple for immigrants. They were a tangible proof of one's immigration status, but they also came with their share of issues. Lost or stolen BRPs pose serious problems, and the process of obtaining one was often lengthy and cumbersome. So what's the new deal? The UK has now moved towards a digital immigration status verification system. It's a pretty big shift, and here's how it works. Instead of carrying around a physical card, your immigration status will be recorded and accessed digitally. This means less hassle, no risk of losing your card, and instant access to your immigration status from anywhere in the world. But how does this digital system measure up against the old one? For starters, it's expected to be more efficient and user-friendly. There's no need to wait for a physical card to arrive or worry about keeping it safe. The digital system also allows more flexibility. You can access your status online, share it with others if necessary, and update your details with ease. But as with any change, there are bound to be challenges. The transition from a physical card to a digital system might seem intimidating, especially for those who are not tech-savvy, and questions about data security and privacy are bound to arise. But rest assured, the UK government has emphasized that they are taking measures to ensure the security of this new system. While this change may seem daunting, it's a significant step towards a more streamlined and efficient immigration process. So, let's embrace it, knowing that every change is an opportunity for something better. Now that we've unpacked the changes, let's talk about the implications. This shift away from biometric residence permits may initially appear daunting to many. The potential difficulties could range from navigating a new system to understanding the fresh set of rules. It's a change, and change can be unsettling. But let's not forget the reasons behind this policy change. It's about efficiency, about making the immigration process smoother and less stressful for everyone involved. With the elimination of physical permits, we're looking at a system that's less prone to logistical hiccups. No more lost or stolen permits. No more waiting for the mail to arrive. This switch might also lead to a faster processing time. With digital systems in place, the bureaucracy could potentially speed up, bringing us all closer to a more streamlined immigration experience. Change always comes with its fair share of challenges, but also opportunities. Before we wrap up, let's summarize what we've learned today. First and foremost, the biometric residence permits, or BRPs, will no longer be issued in the UK starting this year. This marks a significant shift in the UK's immigration policy. The discontinuation of BRPs doesn't mean the UK has stopped giving appointments and visas. Rather, they're transitioning to a new digital system aiming for a more streamlined, efficient process. This change, however, doesn't come without implications. For one, existing BRP holders will need to carefully navigate this transition to ensure they remain in compliance with immigration laws. Moreover, potential immigrants will need to familiarize themselves with the new digital system and the requirements it entails. This will be crucial to successfully obtaining residence in the UK. With every change comes adaptation, and this new immigration policy is no different. Stay informed, stay prepared, and remember, every challenge is a stepping stone to success.